Imagine a volcanic eruption so powerful it creates its own weather system. Yes, volcanoes can generate lightning storms. When a volcano erupts, it spews ash and gas into the sky, creating a massive cloud. The particles in this cloud collide, generating static electricity, which results in lightning. This phenomenon is called dirty thunderstorm. It's a spectacular and rare sight, turning a natural disaster into a dazzling light show. Next time you see a volcanic eruption, remember it might just be brewing its own storm. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.